miss these 3 ingredients, come and thank me later. What are the 3 ingredients? The 3 ingredients are: number 1, date nuts; number 2, coconut; and the last one is milk. So how are you going to go with these 3 ingredients? All you have to do is to blend the coconut and date nuts. You can add milk and blend all of them together. You will blend all until the date nut and the milk and coconut mix together. But bear in mind that you will first of all remove the solid seed of the date nuts. Then after that, keep blending until all the particles of date nuts and coconut are into smaller particles, so that it can be able to pass through your esophagus, or you can be able to drink it. So on how you finish blending, do not boil or heat any of the recipe. You can take it like that, but if you can't take it like that, you can filter. Now after blending, if you don't want to blend, you can take date nut and coconut by masticating or chewing the 2 of them. After that, you can drink milk. These 3 ingredients can help you to power like a horse, to last longer in everything you are doing. In fact, it will energize you as a man and make you to be strong. So it is also an energy drink. So that is what I want to share in today's video. So try it. Come and thank me later. Thank you for stopping by. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.